I'm back. Our pasta is cooked and now I'm going to add the cheese sauce. So when I took it out of the microwave, it looked like this. Mine did run over a little bit because the red lid popped up a little bit, so I wonder if I just didn't have it on there tight enough. So, but here's what our pasta looks like, and I have not drained any liquid out. Yum, yum, yum. So, it's al dente. So we're going to add, my heavy cream. Because we're doing keto at our house, my husband and I. Hi, Cassandra. And so I put a half a cup of that in there. Let's stir that around a little bit. If you have somebody that's going off to college, this is a great little pot as well. Or if you are single, this is great. You could also heat up leftovers in this. So, stirring one-handed without making a mess, guys. Someday I'll get a holder for my phone. So I'm using sharp cheddar cheese. And yes, I'm using the shredded stuff out of the bag. I didn't have a block of cheese to shred today. You know that a block of cheese is less expensive than the shredded stuff, right? And the block of cheese is just cheese. When you buy the bag of shredded cheese, they have to put stuff in there to keep the cheese from sticking together. So I try not to buy it, but you know, life happens. So we're just gonna keep stirring this around. And pre-shredded cheese doesn't melt the way that cheese melts when you shred it yourself. So if you notice, it's taken me a little bit to get this to melt, but it's working. So after we get this stirred in completely, we're gonna let it set for 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're good to go. So homemade mac and cheese, you know what's in it. It's 4 ingredients. So I used noodles, obviously. I used chicken broth instead of water. And then we used, instead of evaporated milk, because the recipe called for evaporated milk, I used heavy cream. And then I used just the cheese we had on hand, which was sharp cheddar cheese. So that is our homemade mac and cheese. What do you think, Emma? Does it look good? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So,
Mama?
Yeah.
Mama gonna put that milk in it?
No, I already put it in there. So that is homemade mac and cheese.
Homemade mac and cheese.
I hope you guys have a great day. See you later. Bye.